Why women struggle with belly fat after menopause. Deeper insights. Welcome back to Healthy Addict, where we're delving deeper into the common challenge that many women face: the persistence of belly fat after menopause. In this extended exploration, we'll uncover more details about the factors influencing this struggle and provide comprehensive insights to help you on your fitness journey. Hormonal fluctuations. Menopause initiates a significant decline in estrogen levels. This hormonal shift isn't just about hot flashes, it also affects fat distribution. The decrease in estrogen can lead to a more pronounced accumulation of fat around the abdominal area. Metabolic adjustments. Understanding the intricacies of your changing metabolism is essential. As we age, our metabolic rate tends to slow down, making it crucial to adapt dietary and lifestyle choices accordingly. We'll discuss practical strategies for managing these metabolic adjustments. Lifestyle dynamics. Your daily habits play a pivotal role in your body composition. From the types of foods you choose to your activity levels, we'll explore the dynamic interplay between lifestyle factors and the stubborn belly fat that many women experience post-menopause. Diminishing muscle mass. Loss of muscle mass is a common consequence of aging. We'll delve into the importance of strength training exercises to counteract this decline. Building and maintaining muscle not only support metabolism, but also contribute to a healthier, more functional body. Stress impact. Stress is often underestimated when it comes to weight management. We'll uncover the physiological connections between stress and belly fat and provide practical stress management techniques to help you on your wellness journey. Genetic influences. While genetics aren't destiny, they can certainly influence your body's fat storage tendencies. Understanding your genetic predispositions empowers you to tailor your fitness approach for optimal results. We'll discuss how to navigate this genetic landscape effectively. Sleep quality. Surprisingly, your sleep patterns play a crucial role in weight management. We'll explore the impact of poor sleep on hormonal balance and metabolism, offering actionable tips to enhance the quality of your sleep for better overall health. Strategies for success. Now that we've explored the intricate web of factors contributing to post-menopausal belly fat, let's shift our focus to solutions. A holistic approach involving a well-rounded exercise routine, a balanced and nutritious diet, effective stress management, and prioritizing quality sleep can make a substantial difference. If you found these insights valuable, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and share this in-depth exploration with your friends. Remember, knowledge is a powerful tool on your wellness journey. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay informed and stay well. Explore more of our content for additional tips and insights on women's health. Your journey to a healthier, happier you continues in our other videos.
See you in the next video.